stand here and scream and yell when there are people in here.
You can't come down here and refuse to take my citizen complaint affidavit.
Ma'am, I ain't trying to roast you, but you look like a man. I ain't gonna lie, you do. You look like Ric Flair. No cap. Yo, what's poppin'? GE gang, it's your boy Fuzico. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people, how my people doing today. You know what I'm saying? You know what I realized? Let me tell you guys something. You know what I realized? There's a lot of miserable people out in the world today. I didn't even know that until I came into the internet, to the social media. You feel me? There is a lot of miserable people. Like, bro, it's insane. I'm telling you, go get that checked out. And then flip that shit around to laughing every day to change your life. You feel me? Like, being miserable is a choice. Like, it's a choice. You want to be miserable. Like, it's a lot of miserable people. It's insane. But shout out to you guys. Hope you get your life together. I really do. With that being said, man, yeah, how my people doing today, man? We probably tap into a video that I got sent. Karen explodes after police deny her complaint. Yikes. Okay, we got a Karen. But yeah, I hope my people don't let no miserable people come into your circle, ruin your vibries, and I don't care if it's family members, friends, people at work, people at church, people in the store. You feel me? Let them listen. You gotta let miserable people be miserable. It ain't no talking no sense into them. It ain't no asking why you being. It ain't no. You just let them be. And the only thing you can do is just sit back and just like, yeah, I like this a whole lot. I love my life. You feel me? Like, it gotta suck really being a miserable person. It really does have to. You wake up mad and miserable, like the world is holding you down. Like you just can't catch a break when we're all going through some shit. It's insane. As long as my people okay, we good though. You feel me? But yeah, we about to tap into the video, and we about to check on our people's meepers, okay? Make sure we're straight and we're not miserable, because that ain't how we roll, okay? So tap down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let us know how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down in the comment section. Let us know that you're okay and you're not one of them. Let us know. Like, you laugh every day. You come here and get your little laugh and your vibes on. You relax, you detox from the miserable people out in the world. That's why we stay in the house under the sheeteries and twinkle like little toeseries. Facts, okay? With that being said, let's go ahead and tap to the video because, yeah, Karen, you know when we got Karen in the title, some shit really gonna go down.
After making hundreds of complaints at the police station, this woman is about to mess around and find out.
The police station? They are repeats when they are not repeats. When I have business over here. So you need to take your hands off of my possessions and not what right do you have? Absolutely not. So he has refused to follow.
You guys have been helped already?
We spoke with a sergeant.
Are they with you?
They are with me, yeah.
Have them in here. Give me 2 seconds, I'll be right back.
That's not true.
We took your
There
complaint.
is no complaint.
You're not going to keep taking the same complaint over and over again, and I explained that to you. The fact that you don't like, don't get in my face.
Don't get in his face.
Whoa, I know you're not
The fact that
walking.
you don't like that.
You can touch my things and I can get in your personal space. You can touch my things and I can make it in your personal space. I'm touching you.
Whoa,
Yeah,
sir, you can't be talking to her like that's your wifey, okay? That lady is in your personal space. It's taser time. She's doing it in the precinct. You know how embarrassing that is for people to come in there and do their complaints and see somebody acting a total foolery in there? They'd be like, well, shit, I guess I could do it too. What? Lady, Karen, just because you're the president of the HOA, don't mean you can come to the police station and act a fool just because you do that in your friendly neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? You can't do that. Go finish playing tennis with your tennis outfit on. Like, you're tripping.
Let's step outside.
Absolutely not. My
Nope,
things are
you
here.
just touched him.
No, I did not. He touched me. He touched me. He touched me. He touched me.
Stay away from him. Don't get in his face.
One of these 3 complaints that I have today is about officer coming down here on the 17th and pretending to take 2 citizen complaint affidavits. I have not at any moment before this, at no moment before this, have I put in a complaint about that. So that is not a repeat. And rather than take it, which this policy says you must do, you invalidated it and pretended that the material I was showing you didn't exist.
They have given you what you requested.
Yes,
sit here and read all day, but you can't stand here and scream and yell when there are people in here.
You can't come down here and refuse to take my citizen complaint affidavit.
Ma'am, I ain't trying to roast you, but you look like a man. I ain't gonna lie, you do. You look like Ric Flair. No cap. Chill. You come in there and act like a man, rallying in my face, we're gonna treat you like one, WWE style. You look like Ric Flair. You need to chill and shut the fuck up, okay?
David, there is no margin for you to refuse. It does not say there anywhere.
Please.
I have a complaint about Gregory lying to me on the phone yesterday. That's getting filled out right now. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. As your policy says that you will do. And nobody told me when I called here on the 5th asking how to do it. You
leave the lobby.
It doesn't know. You, as we established, you have no right to make me leave the lobby. You have no right to make me leave the lobby. You have no right to make me leave here. You had no right to touch me, which you did. You had no right. Yes, you did. You touched me.
You came at me.
You touched me.
I never
You have no right to pick my things up and carry them out there. You have no right to touch my things.
I'm going to ask.
You have no right to touch my things. Literally lying. These aren't repeats. I have never complained about that pretending. They pretended to take two citizen complaint affidavits. They put the numbers on the pages. They went back there and made a copy for me and then didn't sign them. And then Shields comes down here going, I don't know what you're talking about.
You're not here for her, are you?
Yeah, they called it for 94.
Alright, we'll stand there with
Man, you're not in high school.
Stand up. Please stand up. Stand up. Ask you nicely. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God. No, this is not okay. This is not okay. Please, somebody do something about this. This is not okay. Crosby, please. This is not okay.
Stop.
No, it's not okay.
Stop.
This is not okay. 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 Please, please, please,
Stop.
please. I am under arrest for no reason.
Stop.
I am under arrest for no reason. I am under arrest for no reason.
Stop.
This is not okay.
Stop
This is
resisting.
not okay. This is not okay. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this.
Don't kick.
This
You're
is
going to
not
catch a charge.
okay. You what? What are you arresting me? What are you arresting me? What are you arresting me? I have every right to sit in this lobby and fill out a citizen complaint affidavit. Oh my God! Oh my fucking God! Oh my fucking God! Oh my God! You are hurting me! You are hurting me! You are no! Why should I relax? You're violating my rights! You are absolutely violating my rights! You are violating my rights! I was seated quietly! You can't come down here and refuse! I cannot believe this! Why am I being arrested?
Put your foot in.
Why am I being arrested?
Put your feet in.
Why am I being arrested? What was I doing? Why am I being arrested? Why am I being
Taking her cuffs off?
arrested?
Oh, she
Why
got
am I
loose
being
Reed.
arrested?
Come on, officer.
Why am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested? We established.
Taser, taser, taser. Come on, man. We got to see it.
And fill out a f***ing form.
If y'all don't tase Ric Flair, it's going to go,
Why are you
whoa.
arresting me?
Big Ric Flair style.
Hurting me.
You are resisting. If you stop resisting.
That is not true. You have no right to be arresting me.
You don't need a female. All right, ma'am, you got anything on you that's gonna put me?
No, I don't have anything on me. There is no reason to be arresting me. I was sitting quietly in the lobby filling out a form that it is my right to fill out. And these officers came up and arrested me. Told me to stand.
What do you need?
Told me to stand. Told me to stand. And I have every right right to be sitting there? What law was I breaking when I was sitting there? What law was I breaking when I was sitting there?
Stop!
No! Answer me what law I was breaking!
Hey, quit kicking!
Answer me what law I was breaking! Answer me what law I was breaking! Answer me what law I was breaking!
Are you on any medication?
I think this one.
Yes, I am.
Anything that you're gonna need soon?
I need some shoes
Trying to keep.
because my feet are burning, which is the reason I was doing this.
Quick.
So that's not kicking anyone. That's because my feet are hot. So there you go.
had a chance to sit in the car.
Ew! Stop it! Don't nobody want it, Ricky! Nobody want it, Ricky!
You have a right to sit in that lobby and
We don't swing that way!
You don't have a right to tell me to leave, officer. You don't have a right to tell me to leave. You can't tell me to leave.
5 days after that fiasco, the suspect was released from custody after she posted bond. When an officer calls her to give her important information regarding her arrest, she reveals something wild.
Hello?
Hey, Miss.
Yes.
Hey, how you doing? It's Officer Bates.
Yes.
Hey, did you get
I'm
my?
bothered for how I'm doing because that's a rhetorical question. Go ahead.
There was a misunderstanding. All right, your phone is not placed as evidence. It's placed for safekeeping. You are able to come retrieve your phone. So,
I'm sorry. I'm here at the sheriff's department to file some more complaints about the jail and about your behavior at the jail. And I didn't catch that because other people were talking. I'm sorry. There was a misunderstanding. I heard. That's all I heard.
you can come retrieve your phone.
Okay, sure. And the paperwork that I was asking about while you were arresting me was the ones that got left behind.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, you nearly left my sandals on the hood of your cars because you were still unconcerned about the person under whom you were putting under arrest unfairly. So thanks so much. I will make an appointment with your evidence department, and as I'm here to clear up as well.
Okay, I got one more thing to-
Which officer? So am I accused of having battered? What is his name?
Commander Sanif.
Great. Thank you so
Hold
much.
up. Can I explain one more thing to you?
Yeah, go ahead.
So you know you were issued a trespass for the Northport
She
Police
showed right
Department.
back up
I
there.
do.
Okay. I went by your residence. I placed a form on your door, okay?
I just don't seem to understand. That is not my door, or other than an apartment around back.
So,
And
Sharon-
let me
so
be
Sharon-
clear, when I
Sharon-
called over the week.
So listen, I left it on the door around back. The lady that was there told me exactly which door was yours. So listen,
Great.
I actually was doing you a favor. So anytime you were trespass from public property, you can appeal it. So I actually was nice enough to give you the appeal form. But for you to appeal it, you need to do it through City Hall, okay?
You are not doing. I'm already trespassed off City Hall.
Okay,
And
but
you are
if
not
you
doing
call-
me a favor.
so if
are
you
not
call-
doing me a favor
if you
when
call
go up
City
to other
Hall-
citizens and-
so you
and
can call
discuss
City
my
Hall-
private information
you
when
can call
haven't
City
been
Hall-
asked to come out to my house.
You can
So,
call
okay.
City Hall and schedule an appointment for your appeal. If you set up an appeal, you have authorized business to be there that
I'll
day.
make that call once I have my phone
Yes.
back. Thank you so much for taking it from me over the weekend. That was so kind of you to do.
All right. You got any questions for me?
I guess you wanted.
Do you have any questions for me?
Man, we don't need the sarcasm, Ricky.
Do you have any questions for me?
Bro, hang up,
All right,
please.
thank you.
God.
This suspect, Sharon, was charged with felony battery on a law enforcement officer and felony resisting with violence. She was later assigned a public defender to represent her in this case. However, that attorney filed a motion to raise the topic of incompetency to stand trial. The latest reports on the case indicate that after evaluation, a judge deemed she was incompetent to stand trial. While the case is still ongoing, she is being held at a state facility, and she is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Some people.
Well, there it is. We knew something was wrong with her. She showed up looking like a tennis player, acting like Ric Flair. Duh. Hello. I mean, you wore the proper attire. It was all white. Just should have been, cause you should have been like this or that. Because all I'm saying, you're very incompetent. You're very crazy. You should have stuck to the WWE and made your money and you just stayed up out of them people's place acting crazy, okay? What do you, like, what? I guess looks can be deceiving because I thought you had a little bit of bread. But you got a public defender, so you look the part, but you want the part. Hey, well, there it is, man. Tap down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. You like to hear? Here you go. She's crazy. Her name Ric Flair. She look like a dude. She going to jail. She gonna get by the dudes and the women. Now we're going to keep on running it up, man. Keep on doing what we're doing. Misery loves company. Don't be miserable with them people. Let them people have their company. Miserable people, I can't stand them. They just Debbie Downers type. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't like life? Why don't you go on your own island and go be miserable on the sand somewhere? You probably be, you know what I'm saying? You're going to be miserable on the beach. It's insane. Go to Jamaica, miserable. Go to Hawaii, miserable. You might want to go get checked out. You might go end up where this lady's just about to go. In a facility. All white walls. Think about it. change your mental, change your life. I don't know, man. Tell down the comment section. I love my people like I love me. We're going to keep doing what we're doing. And we're going to keep getting paid. We're going to keep making money. We're going to keep on doing give backs because that's what we do. People hate it. And when you elevating, they hate it even more. I adore you. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy Fooster. I'm out this motherfucker. Yeah.